This video will explore the two trails of the Black Run Nature Preserve West Trailhead in Evesham, New Jersey.
Today we will be exploring the Black Run Preserve. We go for a walk / hike, and here's the entrance, pretty well marked. And then there's the parking lot. And a good reminder, make sure you don't leave anything in the car, lock the car, and take the valuables. Okay, so here we are, Black Run Preserve. And we're going to be doing one of the hikes today. There's the map. Zoom in. Okay. All right, here's the beginning of the walk. Looks like it's going to be marked. There's a blue marker. And we're going to be hiking here once again, blue, and coming back on the red. Should be just under 4 miles. That's how long it takes. And here's the first stop just in. This is a good bird watching spot. And it tells all about the birds you can expect to see. Where's the pond? Oh, I guess I can look through it right. Okay. So there is the feeders. Like they needed before. But this the line you can stand behind there and possibly see these different types of birds. Woodpecker, cardinal, flicker, sparrow, finch. Off the blue trail. And we're going to be coming across our first little water bog here. Coming up. Alright, so it looks like they put $1 million in here, then pan off, and yeah. And here's the first bog. Okay. Looks like there's a place over there you can walk. That looks pretty nice. Actually dried up pretty well. It's been raining recently. All right. Some bird activity. We may have hit a dead end here. Okay, this is interesting. All right, we got to swim. Looks like we have something dammed up. Okay, well, this trail was not successful so far. Looks like it's all dammed up. That's the trail over there. Looks like a beaver's been working hard here. That's a beaver house, it looks like, a beaver hut. And here is a wilderness girl trying to go around the Beaver Dam. See how strong he built this dam. Thinks there might be a path around it.
And here's where we had to do a little bit of maneuvering. Make sure we kept our shoes dry because the trail was so wet.
Okay, so this trail is also blocked. Maybe they need a little bridge or something, but yeah. So right now these trails are basically closed until it's dry weather, out of summer. Okay, well, due to the Beaver Dam activity that's being all dammed up, we're going to try another way. We believe this is the right trail. We're going to be going down here and seeing where this leads. Okay, here we have to go hiking back again. On the pieces of wood. This one should be moved up, I guess. All right. Make it funny. Oh, okay, almost. I was trying to make it funny after all. You want to hold your water? Nope. You can get me after you get over there and I'll do it. Get me. Okay, here we go. You ready? Here we going across. Okay, I gotta go across. I'm gonna jump it. Should I? No. Okay, do the old man way. I can do that. You're supposed to be looking at me when I give you the camera. Okay. Keep walking. Okay, so we did not have any luck with the blue. They're all washed out because of beaver dams and recent rain. So we're going to try the blacks and see if we have any better luck. This looks like it's just a nice, easy trail. So I'm going to give this one a shot. That's the intersection. There's the parking lot that way. Go in here, hang left, and you're on this trail here. Okay. Looks like we have some options here. You want to go see the bog now? Go straight. Okay. We're going to continue following the black trail. Looks like we go to one of those bogs. So, we're about a quarter mile in the black trail from where we started. Looks like it's veering off, following back over across the street, which we don't want to do. Here's another one. See no bicycling. What we're going to have there is walking. Black trail does go left. Looks like it goes up across the street. So we're going to walk down this way a little bit, see if we can get to the lake or whatever's down there. And that way is maybe the lake. Okay, and here's the intersection. So to the right is back to the parking area. This was the blue trail that was both ways were basically flooded out. Some through the beaver, There's the black one. We saw that bog.
I hope you enjoyed today's walk through the Black Run Nature Preserve West Trailhead in Evesham, New Jersey.